Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hi, I'm Anna. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen carefully and practice with me. Last time, we talked about our Saturday morning. Today, we will continue from the moment we go out shopping. Let's start.
Jack, here we are.
Finally! Can we go to the game store first?
Not yet. We need to buy groceries first.
But the game store is right there!
I know, but if we go now, we might be late for dinner.
Dinner? We're eating here?
Yes, after shopping, we'll have dinner in the mall.
Nice. Can I choose what to eat?
Maybe, but first, groceries.
Groceries are boring.
You can help me push the cart.
That's still boring.
If you help, we can stop at the toy section.
Okay. But I'm not carrying heavy bags.
We'll see about that.
If I carry heavy bags, do I get extra dessert?
Maybe, if you're nice.
I'm always nice.
We'll see. Come on, let's go inside. Michael, do we need milk?
Yes. We're almost out.
Okay, I'll get 2 cartons.
Good idea. It's cheaper to buy more.
What about bread?
We still have some, but maybe get 1 loaf.
Whole wheat or white?
Whole wheat. It's healthier.
And vegetables?
Yes. Let's get carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce.
That sounds fresh.
Do we need eggs?
Let me check the list. Yes, a dozen eggs.
What about snacks for the kids?
Just a little, not too much sugar.
Good luck telling Jack that.
I'll try. Can you get the juice?
Sure. Orange or apple?
Orange. It's everyone's favorite.
Got it. I'll put it in the cart.
Jack, here's the video game section.
Wow, they have the new racing game.
It looks cool, but it's not cheap.
Can we buy it today?
Not today. Maybe for your birthday.
But that's months away.
That's why it will be a big surprise.
What about this older game?
It's half the price and still fun.
But everyone's playing the new one.
Sometimes old games are better.
Can I get the older game and this small toy car?
One thing today. You have to choose.
That's not fair.
Take your time. I'll wait.
Okay, I'll take the older game.
Good choice. Let's put it in the cart. Emma, do you want to look at dresses?
Yes, but I also want to see the new jackets.
Jackets? Do you need one for school?
Not really, but they look so nice.
You just like shopping.
Of course, shopping is fun.
Okay, let's look at the jackets first.
What do you think of this color?
It's pretty,
but maybe too bright.
Too bright for me?
You like soft colors.
True. What about this one? It's light blue.
That's better, and it will match your jeans.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
How does it look?
It fits well, but the sleeves are a bit long.
I can roll them up.
Maybe, but let's also check the smaller size.
Okay, but I still like this one.
We'll see which one is better. Michael, are you hungry?
Very. Shopping makes me hungry.
Let's eat here, in the food court.
Good idea. There are so many choices.
What do you feel like eating?
A big burger with fries.
And maybe a milkshake?
Yes, chocolate milkshake.
I think I'll have pasta with tomato sauce.
And maybe some salad?
Yes, that sounds healthy.
What about the kids?
Jack wants pizza, and Emma said sushi.
That's a lot of different food.
That's why I like the food court. Everyone can choose.
After we eat, should we go to the cinema upstairs?
Yes, I'll check the movie times now.
Great. I'll find us a table.
Let's watch the new action movie. Robots, lasers, explosions.
No, I want the funny cartoon. Everyone says it's amazing.
Cartoons are for little kids.
Not this one. It's for everyone. Even Grandma would laugh.
The action movie has flying robots. Zoom, boom, pow.
That's just noise. No story.
It's exciting. You can feel the seats shake.
I'd rather feel my stomach hurt from laughing.
You just don't like cool stuff.
I like smart stories, not just boom boom.
Last time you picked a boring one.
You slept because you were tired.
No, I was bored. This time, I choose.
No way. It's my turn.
Let's settle this. Rock, paper, scissors.
Deal. Best of 3.
This is it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I win. Ha-ha.
Fine. Robots it is.
Best decision ever.
Next time, I choose.
We'll see.
Emma, did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, even though it wasn't my choice.
I saw you laugh a few times.
I did. The robot dance was funny.
And Jack was so excited.
He almost dropped his popcorn.
That's true.
But my favorite part today was buying the jacket.
You looked very happy in the store.
I was. I can wear it to school next week.
It will look great on you.
Thanks. And thanks for letting me choose it.
You made a good choice.
What are we doing tomorrow?
Maybe a quiet day at home.
That sounds nice. I'm tired.
Me too. Let's get home and rest. Michael, can you help with the bags?
Sure. Where do they go?
Clothes in the bedroom, food in the kitchen.
Got it.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes, it was busy but fun.
The kids were good.
Even when they argued about the movie?
That's normal.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
I think we'll stay home.
Good. I can fix the door handle.
And I can catch up on laundry.
Sounds exciting.
Not really, but it's needed.
Okay, all the bags are in place.
Jack, are you ready for bed?
Yes, but I'm not sleepy.
It's late. You need rest.
The movie was so cool.
I know. You were smiling the whole time.
The robots were amazing.
I'm glad you liked it.
Can we watch it again tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. Maybe next weekend.
Okay, but next time I choose again.
We'll see about that.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Jack. Sleep well. Today was a busy and happy day. We went shopping, we had dinner together, and we watched a fun movie. I enjoyed spending time with my family. Even when Jack and Emma argued about the movie, it was still full of laughter. You can watch this video again and practice speaking with me slowly and clearly. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It helps more people learn English with us. Thank you for joining our family today. See you next time. Bye-bye.